This is one of our latest models, very much at home in this kind of environment at a World Championships. This is the BR460 EL. The EL version is the Extra Lusso, which is the top end. So beautiful piece of wood and very nice engraving indeed. Very much built as a sporting gun, so as you'd imagine, sporting stock and wider rib, 32-inch barrels, external multi-chokes. It's basically all the bells and whistles that you would expect, with the addition of a detachable trigger mechanism as well. Little detail about the trigger mechanism: the spring work in the mechanism, not only are the springs on guides, but they're also held within boxes as well. So in the unlikely event of a spring breaking, you will still actually maintain quite a lot of the efficiency of that spring because it's housed within its box, which is a Rizzini patent. It's got a beautiful scroll engraving there with quite a lot of relief, as is common to all Rizzini shotguns. The engraving is done by laser, but then hand finished. And on this particular gun, you can see it very, very clearly. It just goes to lift the gun into a different category, rather than the rather, dare I say, flat and lifeless engraving that you can get just with a laser in itself. The barrel lengths on here, 28, 30, 32, and 34 with a supplement for those that want something which is that much closer to the clay. This particular one here is 32-inch with the color-coded external multi-chokes. So very much, as well as being a tool for the job, is a very elegant tool. So that's the BR460 EL. And despite its looks, it actually retails at $7,335, which puts it in what one would call a very affordable category for this type of gun.